Hello guys, welcome to my channel Software Testing by MK Gupta. My name is Manish and today we will talk about software testing and we will discuss that what software testing means, what's the importance of a software testing and also about the objectives of software testing. So let's get started. So what is a software testing? In general, a testing means to analyze or to examine a particular product as per the guidelines specified for it. It means that a particular product which has been created, that product has been created by using a guideline which I specified for it. So after developing that particular product, it needs to be tested, it needs to be analyzed, it needs to be examined and then can further used by the end users. The same in software, a software application is tested and a software testing is the process of evaluating the software or a product according to the requirement and to check whether all the functionalities are working as per the requirement. So it means in software testing, a particular developed software application needs to be evaluated or it needs to be tested to find the gaps and also to analyze whether a particular software application is working as per the requirement or not and to check that all the functionalities which are available in the software application are working as per the requirement or not. Also, there are many definitions has been given by many organizations. Out of those, ANSI IEEE 1059 has also defined testing is a process of a software item analyzing in order to detect the discrepancies between actual and required conditions. Means a particular software application which is developed, so we need to analyze that particular software application or software product in order to detect the discrepancies or the differences between the actual application or actual product and the required conditions which are defined to develop that particular application or software product. So what is the importance of a software testing? Why we need software testing? Is there any need of software testing or it's just a particular software application has been developed and then it should be given on the production side and then used by the end users. So this we will gonna see in this particular slide, that what's the importance of a software testing. So a software testing is essential to find the defects and gaps in the software with the respect to the specified requirement. By the first point, it means that whenever a software application has developed, so it is very much important to test that particular application to find the defects and also to find the gaps between the developed software application and the requirements which are specified for that particular software application. Second point is to check whether the software application is working fine and also to verify the working functionality are as per the requirement. By the second point, it means that First of all, we need to verify that a software application is working fine. There are no issues by using the application. And also we need to verify, as a tester we need to verify that the working functionality are as per the requirement. It should not like, yes, that a particular functionality is working but it is not as per the requirement, it is not as per the guideline. No, it should not like that. Third point, to verify the effective performance of the software application. So apart from finding the defects and verifying that the functionality of the application are as per the requirement, there is one more point which is very much important, and that is performance. Yes guys, performance of the software application is also one of the important point which need to be tested. And if I if I am saying a performance of a software application, so it means the response of the software application, the speed of the software application, how much of load a software application can bear, how much of stress a software application can have on it. So all these aspect ratio we need to check in performance testing of the software application. The fourth point is to guarantee the quality of the software application. It means it's a tester's responsibility to guarantee that the quality of the software application which we are delivering is high. So it is a tester's responsibility to guarantee that a particular software which is developed and has been tested is a best quality which we have provided to our client. Now, what are the objectives of software testing? So in general, there are objectives for each and every task. If we do not have an objective, we cannot perform that particular task. Same in software testing, there are some objectives which a tester needs to follow. The first point is prevention of defects. It means the objective of a software tester should be to prevent the software application from the defects, from the errors, or from the issues which are getting into the software application. By finding those defects and by resolving those defects from the developer's end, it is tester's responsibility to prevent the software applications from the defects. Second one is maintain the quality of the product. Yes, this is the main objective of the software testing, to maintain the quality of the software application. Once the application is on the production side, once the application is live and are using by the end user, so it is a responsibility of the testing team to maintain the quality during the all time. Third one is meeting the requirement and business logic. It means that a client is having their own set of requirements, their own set of business logic which they provide us, and upon which a software application is developed. So to check whether the developed software application meets those requirements and business logic, so this is also our one of the important objective, to verify the requirements and the business logic are met. Fourth one is finding the bugs and errors in the application. Yes, during the execution of the test cases by the test engineer, it is very much important to find the bugs and errors in the application, by which it can be find that where are the gaps and where are the deviations in the developed software application and its required specifications. The fifth one is to make sure that application is defect free related to the any critical or basic feature. It means that a particular software application is having its own basic features, also its own critical features. So it needs to be noted that during the testing life cycle there should be a plan where it is prioritized that what are the basic and critical features of a particular software application. So we need to focus on those modules and features of basic and critical functionality related. We can focus on those areas because it can be possible that those area can have multiple number of defect, multiple number of gaps, and by analyzing those gaps and those defects, those errors, we can make our software application more bug free and can maintain the quality of the same. So yes guys, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Also please share with your friends. Please do subscribe to my channel, as it is just a start. We will gonna see more videos upon software testing so that we can learn together, we can grow together. Thanks for watching.